Welcome to See the Magic. Located in Dana Point, this 2005 Carver 44 Cockpit motor yacht has all the toys. Brand new 12-foot Carib Deluxe with a large Yamaha 4-stroke, bimini top, large cockpit, access to a private master suite right here from the cockpit. Entering the stairs, we walk up to a very spacious aft deck. Glass doors, built-in back seat, fresh canvas. Continuing on up to the flybridge, you've got a built-in refrigerator, top-of-the-line Raymarine electronics, an E80 on both sides, autopilot, VHF radio, C key, which gives you peace of mind, satellite radio, CD changer, stereo right here on the bridge for all your fun. Great visibility from the flybridge. Easy to entertain. Your friends are right here with you. Nobody leaves you at the helm alone. Walking into the salon, which is the best area on a 44 Cockpit motor yacht, you've got a full beam salon. Carver raised the walk-arounds. You've got a very wide, spacious, airy feeling with windows top and bottom. Built-in dinette, gourmet galley, very large refrigerator and freezer, built-in coffee maker, microwave convection oven, forward stateroom for your VIP guests with its own in-suite bathroom. Walking aft to the master, large master berth, built-in storage. Here's that door again, walking straight out into the cockpit, LCD TV, DVD player, and an in-suite bathroom. This is Bayport Yachts, located in Newport Beach, California. We are the West's only authorized Carver dealer. Give us a call, 949-631-0228. Thanks.